downtown Miami. And here's the length and breadth of the Miami Boat Show. Pretty cool spot out here.
The reason I think you're going to like that little diamond anchor is beautiful, it's sparkly, and I can wear it on a bracelet. What?
Filming. So these are kind of getting popular now. It's kind of an enclosed-ish center. Well, it's not a center console, is it? No. You got the lighting going on here. 7s. Pretty cool. Dual 527s. This is cool. We got quad 350 Verados. This is a Mako. Once again, more and more and more center consoles all the time. Because people like being able to walk around and they hate having anywhere to put stuff or any kind of enclosed storage, but I'll be quiet. They love to have big waves splashing in. Hey, still though, pretty cool, pretty cool. Good boat. Now this Mako looks like a much better complete package than this one. This one just looks like a big pain in the butt. I don't know, man. This looks, if you're gonna have a Mako. So these are kind of cool. They have like the integrated collar on them. They call that a collar. And so you get the flotation of, you know, an RIB, but it's more sleek like a conventional boat. Rigid inflatable boat. So that is actually inflatable. That, see where it says where it's red right there? So that's like an inflatable. So why would you put that there? Well, a lot of people basically they use them for yacht tenders if they want to put it in their yacht and they don't want to bang up their nice big boat. Right. So that's kind of soft and easy on your yacht, on your mega yacht. But the other thing is you get a lot more flotation. It's a lot safer. It's going to be a lot more unsinkable. Look at that thing. Jesus. How many motors?
These don't look like the boat that you were showing me.
Here's another one. But this is a straight up rib right here. But even ribs. You just asked me that. Rigid inflatable boat. I mean, leave it to the Italians to come up with a rigid inflatable boat that is this cool. This thing's just cool, man. Very cool. And the thing is, you could swap this boat and it would still be totally safe. Nice picture of the Miami skyline. It's about, I don't know, 77 degrees out here, a little breezy today. Pretty cool. I've never been, actually. I'm going to stay there tonight. Looking forward to that. It's off the water, not into it. So it's really providing nothing in terms of immediate flotation, but it makes it a much safer craft. And a lot more ding resistant.
So yeah,
that is so cool. So they have electric ones, but this one is a regular gas motor. Nice little Cobalt. Have that on Sebago Lake. There you go. What else do you need? Hey man, I need to cover my boat. I don't want to do it. You do it. No, I don't want to do it. How about you just press this button? There we go. Cigarette, unfortunately, is starting to get into center consoles too, but at least they're still making their traditional, fast, badass boats. Someone needs to. Redonkulous. does look like a very beautifully crafted boat. I'll have this leather, please. Wow. What is it? I mean, technically it's a center console, but what the heck is this thing? It's made by AMG, apparently. Oh, is this the AMG boat? Didn't they do a collaboration with AMG? I think they did. Yep, it is. It's a collaboration. Wow. Pretty badass. Let's just get another shot of this. Do you get the AMG with it? Does that come with it?
Remember that place we first went in? That's where we need to meet. That's our meeting spot. That's where I'm going.
A little bit of a flooding problem here in Miami. This used to be, you know, a concert venue, and then it, you know, now the water's been rising. Electric boat. Oh, Torpedo makes this? Oh, cool. Oh, yeah, you got your dual Torpedo deep blues. Pretty cool. My mother has a Torpedo and she swears by it. German company. Pre-production. 4,400 pounds. Goes 32 miles an hour. I guess nobody talks about knots anymore. That is really cool. So this is the first one anyone's ever seen. It's the pre-production. Very cool, man. Nice little Midnight Express exhibit here. Very well done. Yeah, whatever. Cigarette has 6. Sparrow Points, Maryland. We made it down here in 5 hours.
We were like 20 on it. Yeah.
Ridiculous. I mean, you got a place to go to the bathroom. I mean, a center console is definitely a man's boat. There ain't no place to cook or do your makeup. You fish. Pretty cool, man. I love these retractable awnings. Pretty cool. Quad 7.627s. Okay, that's a pretty cool setup right there. What the hell else do you need other than that right there? Got a V8, it's a Chris Craft. Nice boats. Oh, look at this. Wow, that's got nice lines, man. Sweet little boat. Very sweet. Wow. Corsair 34. Very, very, very classy little boat. And back to the ugly center consoles. Did I say that? Sorry, I'm a little retarded about running this camera. How much do you feel like paying for a Boston whaler? Just feels like a whaler, man. Well, if you're gonna do an access door, might as well do it right. Look at that. Nice boat. I guess I own this boat, but it's like a 1998, and they've definitely come a long way. Wow. $500,000 for a 350 outrage. That is an outrage. $500,000 for a 350 outrage. Are you kidding me? Whoa. I like the 345 Conquest. The problem is, it's like, if you live in Maine, you don't want this open space here, you know? Like over on the 405 next door, they show a much better configuration. But it's still not really closed on the back. I mean, pretty nice boat. I bet it's pretty much hitting $1 million, is what I would guess on this one. The 405 Conquest. Let's find out. I'm going to say 950. You start adding tax. Yep. Oh, I'm just starting. Look at this. It just goes up and up and up. Whee!
Buddy. Now you can get in there.
I happen to like Regals. I owned a Regal, one of the best boats I've ever had. I think they're underrated. They're good, I believe, Florida company. They have stepped hull that really maximizes the speed of your hull for any given power. And they have typically a 22 degrees dead rise. They chop really nice through the water, in my opinion. I believe this is the boat I had, the upgraded one. Let's go see how much it is. So I paid $28,000 for a new Regal 21-foot boat. Okay, so here's a 22-foot boat. This is their new model for $70,000. List price $88,000. What the hell? 204 stroke. Mine was an inboard, but it had 200 horsepower. I don't see it. I'm sorry. I don't see $70,000 here. Nice boat. I want a boat that does everything. I need a sports activity vessel. So I want to be able to, you know, put the kids overnight. I want to be able to picnic. I want to be able to fish. I want to be able to... There it is. $400,000. I don't know, man. Let's step aboard the $679,000 42 grand coupe. So this is single pane. I'm getting off this boat right now. That should be double pane or at least thick glass. Piece of shiz. I believe this is a cruiser's. Really cool boat, man.
Oh yeah.
Isn't this classy? Really nice. 388. 400,000, but I mean, if you're going to pay that much, might as well get something that looks like that. Cruiser's yachts. 21-degree dead rise. Beautiful boat, man. It's beautiful. A couple of 350s. Pretty impressive line here with these Cruiser's yachts. Do a pretty good job. Needs more fuel than that, though. If you have a boat like this, it better be ready for nuclear calamity. Gotta have your little extending platform there. Pretty cool. Beneteau. Opinions tend to vary about this brand. I think they're okay. But, oh, look at this. This is the boat that I came to see. The Aquila 44. So what's so unique about this boat? Well, the main difference between this and other Power Cats is that you've got a master stateroom that goes beam to beam. You don't have a lot of headroom as a result. But it's a pretty cool idea because with Cats, you're limited typically to putting, you know, your downstairs rooms in the actual the sides of a catamaran. So it's actually a little bit of a better idea in the hulls. Let's go check it out. I think this is the 44. Yeah. See? 3 staterooms, 3 heads, and a full beam master. You'll never see another boat that has that. Pretty cool. I like sailing catamarans better, but I'm not seeing a lot of sailboats here. There's a few. Let's check it out. So let's check it out. Aquila 44. This I like a lot. This is just cool. See, and I knew it was here because I already checked this boat out. I'm gonna sneak up here. Yeah, I feel like I could handle this boat. Barely. Is this the joystick? First of all, it should be on a remote control somewhere. Maybe some kid ran off with it. I like the stanchions. Everything seems to be really well done. I don't know, man. I've been sitting here now for probably 45 minutes. I'm apparently not moving. I'm kind of comfortable here. Let's turn some shit on here. Does this start the boat? Let's try. Oh, I think I just started. Dashboard, right? There it is. Give me a dashboard. The only thing I don't want to see is how much fuel I'm using. Although with a cat, it wouldn't be as bad. Uh-oh. Dangerous target was detected. Whoop, 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 whoop. Excuse me, is that a 50-foot Beneteau in my way? Shoo! Shoo down there! Get your stinking little Beneteau out of my way! Now this is a seriously, seriously nice boat, man. Seriously nice! This is where you got your grills, and that's where you got your girls. Yeah. See this? This is a door. Double pane, thick. I like it. And I like how this works here. You got very, very smart because it's very social and at the same time reasonably safe. That's nice. So these are actually made in China and they're less than that Boston Whaler. Okay. So here is your full beam master. And the genius about this is you can stand up here. Okay, granted you can't stand up there, but it's still a full beam. Very airy in here. Just really cool idea. It's got D4 Volvo power plants. This is like kind of like, I don't know, the minimum size bathroom to be actually comfortable. Head. And we all know a woman's going to have the last say on these boats typically, so let's do a little powder room here. Mostly so somebody can sit here and talk and you can listen while you're reading your Road and Track magazine. You know, it's not really a king though. It's kind of a, I don't know about that. Altered king. This is nice though. Wow. For a 44-foot boat. I've seen some center consoles that pretty much blow this thing out of the water as far as electronics and screens, but hey, this is all you need right here. All you need. This thing is just cool. Just cool. Well, that's reasonable. You're actually in the hull down here as a typical catamaran, but this is decent. This is where you get your big bucks for chartering. They actually have a 4 stateroom version that the whole charter team is here. So you can talk about how much it would actually cost to own one of these. Yeah, this one's a little tight in here, but I'm totally fit. Someone's going to grow up to be a little yachtswoman. Same thing over here, of course. You know, they put a window here. Totally comfortable. I think the only thing I don't like is this material here. I don't know. This is a little more rugged than it looks, but hey. There's a reason that it costs less than a Boston whaler, I guess. I was going to say, where's my escape port? That doesn't really look like it. When these things turtle, you got to get the hell out of there. Let's check this one. Nope, can't escape out of that one either. See if there's any barracudas under there. I guess it's not a sailing, you know, it's power, so a little less likely to flip. Beautiful. So here's the scale model. Not a bad looking craft. This is their little booth area. Well, that's cool. Cool. There's all the people that have bought one. You buy one, they ring the bell, man. Something about a big cat with outboards I really like. Certain efficiency there. But look what you get when you go down one size compared to what I was just on. Sorry, no comparison. Just no comparison. Here's your fishing diving edition. Cool. That's cool. And I forget the specs on this as far as cruising mileage, but it was really not bad. You know, really not bad. So here's the same thing in the charter version. So MarineMax Vacations has this one here. Cool boat. And that's the end of this segment.